Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to fix the EA app if it's not opening. Let's get started. First, ensure your Windows is updated to the latest version. You should also check for any available updates for the EA app in the Microsoft Store and install them if found. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Completely close the EA app. You can do this by right-clicking its icon in the system tray and selecting Exit, or by ending the EA app in Task Manager, which you can open by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Esc. Once the app is closed, try relaunching it. If the issue persists, we can try repairing the EA app. Open the Control panel by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Then navigate to Programs and then Programs and Features. Find the desktop in the list. Select it and click on Change. Choose the Repair option and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the repair process. Corrupted cache files can sometimes prevent the app from launching. Close the EA app and delete the folder located at C programmed at origin. Restart the EA app to see if this has resolved the issue. Your antivirus or firewall might be interfering with the EA app. Temporarily disable both your antivirus software and Windows firewall. Try running the EA app again. If the application opens successfully, you'll need to add it to your antivirus and firewall whitelist to prevent future conflicts. Refer to your antivirus and firewall documentation for instructions on how to do this. If the above steps haven't worked, reinstalling the app might be necessary. First, to uninstall the EA app, you can do this through Settings of Apps and Features, finding EA app in the list and selecting Uninstall. After uninstalling, download the latest EA app installer from the Microsoft Store and reinstall it. Check if any background processes related to EA are running. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Esc and look for any processes with EA in their name. If you find any, end those processes and then try opening the EA app again. Outdated graphics card drivers can sometimes cause conflicts with applications like the EA app. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Install the downloaded drivers and try launching the EA app. If you've tried all the steps above and you're still experiencing issues, it's best to contact EA support directly for further assistance. They have dedicated teams who can help you troubleshoot more complex problems. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.